So we just got WWDC 2022, and we got a lot of big updates. Today I'm going to break them all down for you here in a very short amount of time. Hi, my name's Harley J. I'm a kid, I'm a tech YouTuber, I'm a filmmaker, I do all of it. I really do all of it. I also do film YouTube videos. But today, we're really just breaking down WWDC Day 1. So first off, the first thing we got was something very simple. We got iOS 16, which we all knew was coming. My favorite thing was lock screen, which is the first thing they started off with. Now, you can customize your lock screen easily. Just customize it by choosing different special fonts, by doing different color tones, by adding widgets. And now, notifications go from the bottom to the top, not from the top to the bottom. That's really cool. There's also a lot of other updates for iOS 16, but I can't break them all down. You could just go watch the Apple event. But they're really these small updates that when they come together, they become this one big update. And now, of course, we have iPadOS 16. iPadOS 16, we now have lots of collaboration tools, and it's really focused on collaboration, I feel like, this year. So we have a lot of collaboration tools with iPadOS 16. We have macOS Ventura, which my favorite thing about macOS Ventura is Stage Manager, which basically lets you hack. It's like a thing that helps you keep your windows organized, and it really works. So we have that, and then I'm tired. So and then we got M2, the new chip, and with M2 we got the MacBook Air with M2, and MacBook Pro 13-inch with M2. And that's amazing. Sadly, we didn't get a VR headset, but we got lots of other cool things. So, yeah, we also got watchOS 9, which there's also some health updates and some stuff like that. We get some wallet updates. We got lots of really interesting updates. So, yeah, this event was really good, and I really enjoyed it. So, yeah. Make sure to like and subscribe, and that was a very simple, brief recap of WWDC Day 1, 2022. I'm Harley J, and peace out.